Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you something very rare and very nice. Today I got a Range Rover Sport, and the color is silver metallic. It's made by Malibu International Ltd. It has a nice case as well as nice box. Let me show you a little bit. Over here we see the Range Rover Sport. On the top it has a nice Malibu emblem. Also on the sides there are windows, and you can see the front as well as the back. I'm a big fan of Range Rover Sports, and I was looking for a nice model for quite a while, and when I saw this one there was no question that I'm getting it. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. As mentioned earlier, once you take the outer box, you can see the nice display case. The model is very detailed, and I like it a lot. So now, let's take it out of the box, or the case, so to speak, and check it out. The tail lights are made of separate pieces of plastic. You can see the Range Rover sign over there, as well as a nice emblem. At the front we have headlights that are made of separate pieces of plastic, as well as the fog lights made the same way. I also like the detail on the rear view mirrors. The grille on the side is made out of separate piece of plastic as well. The wheels are very precise. The mirrors are actually made of separate pieces of plastic and are attached to the body. top you can see the sunroof. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for that video. I hope you like the Range Rover Sport. If you do so, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Also, I'll try to find you a link and put it in the description to show you where to buy this Range Rover Sport. As always, thanks for watching.